Sanibonani guys, guys, happy Monday yenina. Nasikhumbula ngisho isitori se-DNA part 2 ngibuyile naso sisiyangibhalela uAustrozi, let me finish la ngicinde khona. Or hey, silinde vele for ama-DNA test. Uthi masilinde so ngibona ukuthi yabona mina bazongibamba because of ubaba omncane bekasola ngitshela ukuthi labantwana ngebakhe. Or Austrozi ngisuke ngikhaya like I'm seeking advice ukuthi ngenze kanjani from if my family members. Ngithi ngibize my mother, ngibize nama i2 uncles labe bakhona kulobola negotiation. Uthi vele mabafika vele ngibaphe ngindaba. Mangifika vele ngibathe ngindaba yekwenzeke 1 2 3 4 5 6 manje inkinga umntwana lo nokhona akusiwa kababa nalo sisiswini ngi 100% sure ukuthi akusiwuye. So mina bomalume bengicela ukuthi ningileni kuloya muzi nongishwelezela before ama results aphuma. Or Austrozi mama athi how sure are you ukuthi umntwana akusiwa lo muntu lo cause nithi umntwana lo muntu lo unomntwana ne second wife. Uthi mina mama sengiyabona ukuthi abantwana kusinge bakhe the more ngibabheka ngibona ubaba omncane abantwana like baka baba omncane. So mina bengicela ama families ukuthi nihambe ningasalinda ama-DNA test because ngibona ukuthi makungasangalinda ama-DNA test le ndaba le izobanzima yabona ukuthi icazulule. Kodwa Austrozi hayi kube ukuthi abomalume batha sizoza ngeweekend makakhona makangafika vele ngeweekend usibambe ngefoni thina sizokhulumisana as abantu abadala. Uthi vele ngibele emzini uthi vele mangifika emzini uthi ngiyabona vele life second wife dimuthuweri uthuyile hore bona scam siyovela. Uthi nami ngiyambona uyaphithizela azuzikhipha phisi nami ngizikhipha phisi uthi tension ikhona yakhona ubona ukuthi uyithu sithukile but mina sengihleli egameni lokuthi bathize umntwana obikiwe akusiwuye umntwana obikiwe uqala waka second wife mina wami uze number 2 and clearly shows ukuthi ongasiwa ngapha uloyana because of mina bamphela bakabo omncane begazi sesela ngapha yabona. Austrozi weekend ifike ubaba afika uthi vele ngibatshele vele mother-in-law and the husband ukuthi basekithi bathize bacela ukuza bazonibona ngosonto if nikhona ngosonto ekseni. Hayi mother-in-law avume ne husband evume. Austrozi basekithi vele bafike. Uthi abesekithi vele bafika vele umalume vele ahlale phezulu kwendaba angasali bathiyajika jika abatshela ukuthi sizela because of umakotweni uzekithi adinga usizo lwethu ukuthi sizonikhulumela nani because of umakoti ikhona inja yangapha edla amaqanda kamakoti. The husband no mother-in-law bavula amehlo kanjani inja ubani inja edla amaqanda ngapha because umakoti ngapha uhlele kahomo oba hayi bathi makoti izintambo zingakukhuluma ukuthi kwenzekeni. Austrozi ngihleli phansi ecansini ngibheke phansi yazi uthi ngicala indaba kahle phansi ngicala ngichaza ukuthi wena baba kaSiya wayenzani kwenzakalani mina ngayenzani nobaba omncane. So ubaba omncane uyubaba kaSiya. Austrozi my husband angabelieve athi wena ngihlolela yini izinto ozikhulumayo manje okay ngiyabona lo nokhona ugijima la egcekeni uTaxini wami lo olapha esuswini wakabani sisters aze nendaba nalona akusinge wakho ngicabanga ukuthi akusinge wakho angisishona but ubaba omncane mina naye besihamba siye town masifike town then yabona indaba kwaba phezulu kwenye kwenzakalani uthi ngingachazi kahle istory cause kunabantu abadala but like ngibekisa ukuthi vele ba understand ukuthi we used to go edrobheni masifike edrobheni isiphatho sajiva. So uthi vele ngibatshele kanjalo vele in front of abi family. Uthi umama asho ukuthi we believe ukuthi umuntu indodakazi yami ukuze yenze le decision eyenzile or ukuze ithemtheke like this is because of nabe ningasevaluation bengasambona ukuthi umakoti ngoba akanzaleli but mina inkinga sibonile ukuthi ayikho kwethu umntwana kusho ukuthi inkinga isala kumkhwenyana. So ngoba nithi bashoni kuyo ama DNA test sizobona ngama DNA test waka makoti wena omncane ukuthi umntwana ngewakhe if umntwana wakwamkhwenyana kusho ukuthi umntwana nami ke sifanele sikuyisa inkomo zenu ubaba omncane akhipha inkomo alobole umntwana amthathe kuzophuma kini ukuthi nina nizwana kanjani but asimileni ama results. Uthi Austrozi my mother-in-law insulted me or msadola anamela anker ngiyakhonakala ukuthi noma bathu ingwaba bana ungalala nabantwana abalamanayo shuthi ubhalele ukuthi ngathi ehlobeni ufuna nedlaba abalamanayo Zulu yabona ufuna lapho kusho ukuthi kubo konke wakhetha lapho asali ukuthi yena wenzile but idoda musukuthi ahamba yofuna ngaphandle uye ngaphandle azange afune ngasekini ngabe angafune ngasekini benzothini uthi awusijozi mama zala angikomanya but ngibe relieved ukuthi naya ka secret itswile ipepeneni kusele yakagele phela sibone ukuthi ugele kwenzakalani uthi hayi iphelwe kanjalo indaba uthi izinto zibe tense between mina and my husband after family yami ihamba zibe tense uthi awusijozi umuntu vele angenelele vele angicekelele phansi ngilethelana ngakusupport angakwenzani ungasebenzi manje uyagijima nomuntu ongasebenzi uzabahondla labantwana ngoba kasebenzi uzabahondla na yabona uthi vele babize ubrothers after ifamily yami ihamba uthi yayibabambana abantu uthi babambana icekeni babambana uthi mina no mother in law vele same vele ukuba namula vele uthi ubrothers asho ukuthi ungathatha umfazi omuhle so umbeke lana uhamba uyofuna i-treatment zalana emakhaya uzilethe ngalo uca ukuthi umntwana abantu bekafila kanjani and umntwana uziphethe kahle vele uthi vele the younger brother vele angimele or also as much as I don't love him like I love my husband but the way I reacting account like nekirata like I'm protected as even though berutswana but as a partner hey mina ngiyahleka she yazini ngeva isikhathekele wayitsikini yaba so uthi vele sibanamule vele ube ukuthi indaba zokuthi vele kuba tense vele egcekeni kemali kuba tense uyaqala so questiona i-DNA yalomntwana vele wakhe lokuqala uya question okay bamsesiyazi ukuthi laba bayithuba kabani but intention ikhona akasazwani ne-second wife kuphela sikacabana ukuthi lo mntwana kusingwa ngapha lo mntwana lokushuthi akusingo wakhe if wangapha lona uyahamba ngapha hambe should if umntwana ka the second wife mina nakitsamaya but if lo akasongapha uzomazi kahle or asjozi iviki lihambe mina nomyeni asikhulumisani ngizilalela nge1 nabantwana akezi vele ngakimi usidlalela ne second wife or kesinalitaba because of you know what if ever this relationship if linyalo lalafela kamari lefele cause na ngadala ngisho ukuthi ngisigubhe singaqwala ngisiguje spontshwayo singaqwali so now ngisho ngikhombile ukuthi ngiyakhona uqwala but if the bad part ukuthi ngiqwalise umuntu ungasi longize ngaye ngapha eqekeni hayi uthi iviki vele lendlule things izinto zolezitensi second week uyanga brother athola umsebenzi kube ukuthi uyahamba vele avalelisa uthola umsebenzi nama ngitshela ukuthi ngithola umsebenzi if ever bazoqhosha lana ecekeni I will find a way ukuthi ngikhona ukusustain but not okwamanje after boma 2 to 3 months ungabiyelekini if bayaqhosha sizofonelana ungifonele sizokhuluma like angeke ngize ngikukelele ngabantwana bama bayi2 or brothers bana ngisesadibona ngari ke monna waka ura ngasoxolele bana bababili especially baka awubona uthi okay sharp ubrothers vele hamba igoli hayi sekusele mina vele during the week sekusele mina mother in law the sister in law ngene isikolo and then the second wife uthi viki liphele uthi ama DNA results aphume ufonele vele the husband ukuthi ama DNA test aphumile nize nizwa collector uthi vele sibone ngaye vele afika vele atshele the second wife ukuthi sambe siyobona namuhla ukuthi umfana wami ngiqiniso na sibone lengwabo baleze ngapha ukuthi yona uyisala kanjani nalabantwana abona uthi vele ashayele mina iscamp my husband ashapele na scamp even the mother in law vele uthi ahleke uri awushozi kube ukuthi vele kuyapakiwa kuyagezwa kupakiwa amabheke emotweni kuthiwe sonke sigibela imoto siyahamba it's me the wife the second wife mother-in-law my husband uthi abantwana bethu mina leso sikhathi isisu singaphopha at any time or awushoze retsama uthi ngapha emotweni bekutense enye indlela ne kodwa bebashaya umusic kuphela bongeke umuntu ufuna ukukhuluma because all of us ithuki ukuthi nithi ilotswa and nithi ijwang uthi wonke umuntu bekangakhulumi I don't press phone yakho or yazithulela even no mother in law bekangakhulumi ke los even the husband bekangakhulumisi nomama wakhe diwebo ukutense ngakhona ora awusoze vele sifike uthi masifika vele ema-officeini vele aka doctor uthi sifike vele officeini la ka doctor udoctor vele aqale ke abuza ukuthi aqale ngebani the husband was like qala nga the first wife meaning ukuthi mina bavule vele envelope yami uthi awushozi mabayivula vele ithi 74.5%. uthi vele achaze vele udoctor ukuthi mayisho so kusho ukuthi you are not the father but ubaba wengane ngaba related to you yabona ayisho kanjalo vele ayichaze like that. If you like you are the father fanele ithi 99.9, if you're not the father fanele ukuthi is 0, if nima relative yaqala kuma 25 45 in achaze vele according to ama percentage of DNA weyasebenza ngakhona, but yamiza ithi le percentage what I was just like ibe clear ukuthi vele umntwana kusinye wakhe but umntwana waka the younger brother. Or I was just vele kungaliwi ofisini ka doctor, kungaliwi ukuthi ulokuthi tu uthi hayi vele bathi asivule the second should ya second wife uthi mayivula avule envelope vele it is 0.0%. Umntwana kusinyewa or awusozi bokungathi umuntu wami arwaditseba uyawazi umuntu ophethe umoya like ongasi right osebandleni avukele umoya athwara ke maphayiphayi uthi bekahlanya enye into atshusha nginasengane kuni no 2 anginasengane ngibhizi ngisupporta namafezandle uthi vele athukane manje ngahlule ukuzibamba uthi udoctor thu ubaba uthi vele udokotela vele amkhuze athi no phela uwazi ukuthi lana sisemsebenzini like we need to be as professional as we can. I know ukuthi uzwile ubhlungu but ngicela ukuthi uthathe family yakho go and try to find ama answers from them and in a polite manner ngiyacela like am advice ukuthi ungayenze bo GBV in yabona uthi vele asikhulula athi ngahamba or I was choosing masifika ngaphandle brothers no mother-in-law bangafuna ukusigibeza imoto bale bashiye basela ukuthi ngoba nina ingwaba bani zizozibona ukuthi siphuma kanjani asihambe nani or awushozi mina no sigibela amatekisi phela we need to go home izinto zethu zonke sendlini uthi sigibela amatekisi uthi la nendleleni akekho umuntu okhulumisa omunye umuntu akekho umuntu uyangizwa bokhuluma abantwana bethu badlala boyithu but akekho umuntu okhulumisa omunye umuntu uthi sitravel siwe ekhaya uthi masingena vele igcini singene sithu masithola vele uthi masifika vele sithola vele my family already is there cause ngiba WhatsApp elile ngathi ishubile izani izongiprotect and then ifamily ka the husband vele labe bakhona vele kumalobola intoni bakhona ugelaza ngantshele basekibo bayangana anyone from ifamily asekibo or baqale ngayi bamtshela ukuthi paka izinto zakho zonke amarathana wakho na even ikhaphi kusengini wingobo bani wena ingobo bani uthi vele bamngenelele vele uthi the husband vele amthuka athi imali zami ezingaka ngikuhambisa yonke namasema doctorni ngagijimisela ivesandla lo mntwana enhle kwakabani vele usisters vele akhala urasozi vele asikhihla isililo sikhihla ukuthi mangihlukana neex boyfriend yami bengipreke bengingaziboni so ngiyaxolisa baba ngiyaxolisa uthi ubrothers vele angafuni uthatha vele anything coming from her athi ngithi bhaka ungekwakho mncediseni bambhakele ebhakini uthi izinto vele bamqoshe like that ahambe ura awusijozi usale na family like a thing uthi vele umama khulume vele ukuthi umntwana ethi manje imqosha sijika naye akukho umntwana wethu ozohlukunyezwa kuleli khaya if niyamqosha asingampakisa manje sihambe but angisho le ndaba siyikhulumile ukuthi kwenzekeni abantwana bangapha babuza ugogo bathi gogo labantwana abavumi na ukuthi bangapha ugogo was like you know what angeke ngize ngilahla igazi lami labantwana bangapha baduma koti ngapha something angahamba or awushozi my husband azangafuna ukukhuluma nami athi na khuluma ningwaba bani azangafuna ukukhuluma nawe nami uthi the mother-in-law ukuyo bekakhuluma ukuthi ngapha something angapaka konke ngokwakhe ahambe or awushozi mama angibhakise kube ukuthi nathi sigibele ebhakini kube ukuthi ngiyaphuma ke kanjalo ngibele kithi or awushozi endleleni ngwatsapele ubaba omncane phela ukuthi bangiqoshile abantwana ngibakho in so I don't know ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani because uzaqala usebenza so I will go back home ngizame nami ukuthi ngizoteta la ngiqale ngifuna umsebenzi because ngeke ngimele ukuthi wena uzongondla mina phela ngibe umfazi kabhuti wakho yabona uthi the brother the ubaba omncane asho ukuthi mina ngishilo ukuthi umuntu right umuntu osifazana okahle othandekayo mina bengicela ukuthi izinkomo zakabhuti wami ngizozibusela zonke emuva if in due time manginesikhathi banginemali ngicela ukuzibusela zonke emuva. Ungaqali uthi ufuna uqala impilo yakho nomunye umuntu unabantwana nami enabayi2 so bena bengicela ukuthi yonke into yobhuti wami angizokufonela i-family meeting and then from there sithathe from there. What I was choose at least give it relieved ukuthi lo muntu lo akangigezeli izandla. What I was choose ngifike ekhaya mangifika uthi 2 days later vele ngidede vele ngibona umntwana ngibe umntwana vele wentombazana. Ura vele ngimsendela ama pictures ngimkhomba ukuthi umntwana uthi vele ngimtshela ukuthi at least ke nawo so uyazi ukuthi ubaba so please take responsibility. Or awushozi hi sahleli uthi umntwana vele ubudlule 2 weeks uthi umntwana aqeda ukuyisa like ikalana libitsana ikalana yindlela isibonweni ibiza engesizulu maqeda ukuyisa lento le uthi vele umother in law eze nabo aunt bese bathi bazobona umntwana ubaba omncane batshela ukuthi ngidedile. Or awushozi mother in law afihla aphe umntwana vele ampotulule izandla ampotulule ambe uriyazi uthi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngezinye izindlela ne. Or awushozi umntwana wami ufana nelasbon ngamamazana exactly uthi abo aunt vele basho ukuthi ayi umntwana wakho vele lo ngeke size siyiphikise wangakithi lo. Or awushozi accept umntwana like that. Or nawana no le baba omncane siyakhuluma we don't know ukuthi into ethu izosucceed iphambili because yena ukhuluma indaba zokuthi uzongilobola back yena futhi ngibe umakoti wakhe. So awushozi istory sakhe sona sewu my husband angazi kwenzakalani ngaye because asangaza ngifonele and befuthi akingeke sila uzohoyena because like now he knows ukuthi inkinga bekuphi behuye bongasiyimi. Hi Shem hayi siyabuya eSouth Africa yazi ungathi umdala ungakaboni. Bye guys.